You were talking about the debt resolutions, the continuing resolutions that your opponent in the primary voted for and raise the debt ceiling. My question is, if you see a bill that is going to spend more than it did last year outside of the military, because again that's one of the primary constitutional duties of the federal government,
Correct.
But outside of that, if it was going to spend more than it did last year, how would you vote?
I'd vote against it, unless it's constitutional. There's no need to even vote for it. It should be a nay vote. A nay vote. I mean, you got to be kidding me. Isn't that the idea? Is it why are we raising this debt? You know what I say? Go right across the board. Get rid of the systems that don't work. Get rid of the services, the entitlements. Nobody's saying anything about entitlements anymore. And I'm sorry if I show my passion, but everybody's kicking the can down the street. I recently was lucky. A couple years ago, we adopted a baby girl. What example are we setting if we're just really not addressing the issues? The true issues is the systems that don't work. We have an EPA that does nothing but tax us more. We have a Department of Education that we very well handled here in New Hampshire and every state of the union. Okay, by extending the debt ceiling raising, we are in more debt to those countries around the world that own our debt. And I think it should be the other way around. I think we should have no debt. And by doing that let's get our fiscal house in order. Let's get our budget back to where they're supposed to be. And maybe we can make a go of this. And we just wasted 2 years in my eyes. My daughter's nowhere even closer to being economically free from the government.
Croc TV.